Sansita and I'm part of the DevOps and AI team. My first task was creating an outline of the chatbot, or the basic application, which I had done and shown in my second or third stand-up meeting, which was welcomed really well, which was very memorable for me. So something that I did not expect. Maybe working with GPUs. This is my first time working with a GPU server, which is really interesting and new for me. That I did not expect during this internship. So one piece of advice would be working together as a team. This is my first time working with such a large group of people, and there are different teams that I'm part of. So it's really something that I would love to take into my future internships. So the one word to describe this whole experience would be probably diversity, because I met many people from different backgrounds, from different countries, cities. So it's very new for me to meet new people, understand where they're from, what knowledge they have, sharing their knowledge with me. It's been a very good